Here's a fact that sounds fake: the website you're logged into right now has no idea who you are. None. It forgets you completely after every single click. So how are you still logged in? The answer is a tiny digital ID card called a JWT, and it's hiding in every app you use. Here's a fact that sounds fake: the website you're logged into right now has no idea who you are. None. Every single click you make, it forgets you completely, like meeting you for the first time, over and over. So how does it keep you logged in? The answer is a clever little trick called a JWT. Stick around, because it's everywhere. The web runs on a system called HTTP, and HTTP is stateless, a fancy word for forgetful. Imagine a barista with 5-second memory. You order a coffee, walk to the counter, and they ask, "Who are you?" Every request to a website works like that. It's a brand new conversation each time. So websites needed a way to say, "Hey, it's still me." The first solution was sessions. Think of a coat check at a theater. You hand over your coat, they give you ticket number 42, and they keep a list: ticket 42 belongs to you. Websites did the same. The server kept a big list of who's logged in, and your browser held a little ticket. Show the ticket, the server checks its list, and boom, it remembers you. Here's the problem. Imagine that theater becomes a stadium with 10 million people and 20 different entrances. Now every entrance needs a copy of that giant ticket list, updated constantly. That's what happened when websites got huge: millions of users, dozens of servers. Keeping everyone's session on a list became slow, expensive, and messy. The internet needed a way to remember you without writing anything down. So here's the genius flip. Instead of the venue keeping a list, what if you carried the proof? Like a festival wristband, it shows you paid, security just glances at it, and nobody checks a list anywhere. That's a JWT, a small piece of text the website gives you at login. It says who you are, and the server stores absolutely nothing. The proof travels with you. A JWT has 3 parts, like a driver's license. First, the header, that's the card type, like Texas driver's license. Second, the payload, your actual info, your user ID, your name, when the card expires. And third, the signature, that's the hologram. The special, hard-to-fake part that proves the card is real. 3 chunks of text, separated by dots. That's the whole thing. Now, you might be thinking, couldn't I just edit my token and say I'm someone else? Nope, and here's why. The signature is created using a secret key that only the website knows, like a royal wax seal. Change even one letter of your info, and the seal no longer matches. The server checks it instantly and goes, forged. Rejected. That's the magic that makes JWTs trustworthy. Let's watch a real login in slow motion. You type your password, that's the one time you prove who you are. The server checks it, creates a JWT, stamps it with the secret key, and hands it to your browser. From then on, every click sends that token along, like flashing a hand stamp at a club. Glance, verified, in you go. No list. No memory. Just the stamp. But JWTs have a catch. Remember, the server keeps no list, so it can't unremember you. If someone steals your token, they are you until it expires. It's like a hand stamp: once it's on, the club can't reach out and erase it. That's why tokens are built to expire fast, minutes or hours, like a day pass. Short life, small damage. So that's the trick: websites are forgetful, and a JWT is the tamper-proof ID card you carry so they don't have to remember. Next time you log into anything, you'll know there's a tiny signed token riding along with every click. If this clicked for you, hit subscribe. Next video, we're cracking open passwords: what really happens when you hit sign up. See you there. So that's JWT, the tamper-proof ID card your browser flashes with every click, so forgetful websites never have to remember you. If this finally made logins make sense, subscribe, because next video, we're answering the scarier question: what actually happens to your password when you hit sign up? Trust me, it's wilder than you think. See you there.